see Miss Marilyn. All right, this is Miss Marilyn. Hello. And Raven.
Hey.
All right, guys. How many years have you been at Sturgis?
10. Oh, over, yeah. 10.
Dang, we got some veterans.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of the buffalo chip?
The reunion with like the Buffalo Chip family. I think whenever you're getting to see like the friends that you make when you come here, you don't see them unless you're on the Buffalo Chip. Exactly. That's my favorite.
Awesome. So where can we find you on stage?
The main stage at the legendary Buffalo Chip. 3 rounds a night, every night.
Great. Okay.
Bring in the action. Let's go.
Good luck, ladies.
Let's go. Welcome to Deadwood Sturgis 2023!
Alex is from Tampa, Florida.
Let's go, Alex!
Her occupation, she said she is a full-time drink slinger.
Well, now just lay down, give me 40 days.
I'm meeting a lot of great people, hanging out with a bunch of great girls, competing on the stage, having a great time.
So you're a Jacksonville girl?
Yep. Duval.
Awesome. Duval. Are you a Jaguars fan?
I am, yes.
Awesome.
I can't wait.
Hey. Small train soon to be home.
She's Gabriella Lynn, and she is from Berkeley Springs, West Virginia. Her occupation, she's a pediatric dental assistant. And her height, she said is tall enough to ride. And her measurements are 39, 28, 41 with blonde hair and maybe blue eyes. Something special about herself, she wrote, I can properly field strip any handgun and name every part on it. And 3 words to describe herself, she wrote, yes, they're real. That is number 2 from West Virginia, that's Gabriella Lynn.
Welcome to the Legends Ride 2023! International Bikini Team. Take a photo. Guys, get on your drum. Can I get all 3 of you on my bike?
Sure. Are you getting on?
Have a seat.
Yeah. Let's
My
see.
favorite thing to tell people is I don't ride bitch for anybody, so I can't say that. Hanging out at the Legends Ride, we are having a freaking blast. Even in the cold, a little bit of rain, you know, hanging out with our favorite bike from our favorite girl.
So what will you guys be doing later?
I will be bartending at Club Chip tonight.
I will be bartending at the Motorcycle Art Museum at the Buffalo Chip.
Oh.
Jerry.
You got some free swag for us?
Do you need some?
Yeah, sure.
Drinks, Sarah, Jerry.
Hey, let's welcome Cece to the stage. She is from Phoenix, Arizona. Her occupation, she is a freelance model and a joy bringer.
Yes, she
And her height, she said it's exceptionally average. Her measurements are 100% God-given goodies. And her hair color is what she calls sunshine blonde, and she has bewitching hazel colored eyes.
Hey!
And something special about herself, she said, yes, I really am this happy all the time. And she describes herself like this: champagne, wildflowers, and sparkle. That is number 3 from Arizona. That is Cece.
Awesome.
Can't wait.
Hey, you got Trevor Lawrence.
Trevor Lawrence, yep. We're
y'all-
gonna go to the Super Bowl.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make it to some games this year?
I sure am, yep. Every Sunday I'll be there.
Hey, we're from Tampa, so I got season tickets. If you want to come to the Jacksonville game in Tampa,
Yeah.
get a hold of me.
I do.
I'll take you.
Yeah, let's go.
But we're big Buccaneer fans. So.
Yeah.
But
Well,
it's
I'm
awesome. So you also go to Daytona Bike Week as well,
I
right?
do, yes. I work at Main Street Station, and I'm there every year. Same spot, right up front by the street.
Oh, okay. Will you be there for Biketoberfest?
I will every single day. I'll be there about a week early too.
All right. Well, we're gonna come hang out with you there.
We're gonna party hard.
All right, now pose back here behind this bike right here, just right here. Okay. Turn around, look back. There we go. Perfect shot. Give me a photo here.
We are at the Legends Ride in Deadwood, South Dakota. We're here at the Silverado Franklin Casino Hotel.
Okay, can you tell us just a little bit about the Legends Ride real quick?
Yes, so the Legends Ride is an annual event as part of the Sturgis Rally that is put on by the Sturgis Buffalo Chip and the Silverado Casino. So the ride starts here in Deadwood at the casino, and it goes on a very scenic route through Spearfish Canyon, a few other places as well. And it ends at the Buffalo Chip in late afternoon, early evening. There's a dinner, an auction, and then everybody that's in the ride goes to the concerts at the Buffalo Chip. And tonight it's Lita Ford and Limp Bizkit is playing at the Buffalo
Oh,
Chip.
that's awesome.
Yeah, so it's always a great time.
Say hi, Caroline. Hello. Say hi, Erin. Hi. All right. How many years have you been here at the Sturgis Buffalo Chip Pageant? 3 years. All right. How about you, Erin?
My third year as well.
Beautiful. Oh, hell yeah.
Welcome to the Silverado Franklin Casino Bikini Contest. There is 6 of us getting ready to go up on stage. We just finished walking around Deadwood, so if you're here, cheer us on. If not, thanks for the support.
All right, everybody.
Unleash the Beast from Deadwood 2023.
Number 3, this is Amber, and she's from Tampa, Florida. Her occupation, she said she is the jack of all trades, but a master of none. In her height, she said it's better than your ex.
All right, so tell everybody your Instagram. This is Kim right here, by the way.
It's kind of long. My Instagram is Kimmy Kin's Sugar Spins. It's really long. I get it. But Kimmy Kin's Sugar Spins.
Well, she has an awesome Instagram. Make sure everybody follows her.
I do, yeah.
And you're looking good, so keep up the work there that you do.
Yeah, I've been trying.
All right, quick picture.
So if there's anybody out there that needs to hear this song, this goes out to you. And to our civilian brothers and sisters, we appreciate you guys every time you tell us thank you for your service. It is always grateful. But I'll tell you the best way to thank for any kind of service is to wake up every day and thank God for every breath in your lungs and every cell in your body. And go out and pursue that same happiness that we're trying to get. That's what this America, that's why the people who put on a uniform, that's what they died for, y'all. It's for us to be here today, having a good time, living our lives the way that we want them.
Number 3 today, this is Shauna, and she is from Fairbanks, Alaska. Her occupation, she's a hairstylist and a bartender, and stands petite 5'2". Her measurements, she said, what you see is what you get. With mermaid red hair and hazel eyes. Something special about herself, she's unapologetically herself wherever she goes. And she describes herself like this: cute, creative, and maybe a little crazy. That is number 3, Shauna from Alaska.
Don't forget to like
think more Sailor Jerry, right?
All day.
Well, now the whistle blows and the sun comes up. Hit the floor, keep your big mouth shut.